Located on a corner triple lot, 0.49 of an acre, with a private pool, huge fenced yard, and nearby to a cul-de-sac, is a comfortable home with no HOA, a public boat ramp just 2 miles away, and premium features such as a new roof, new HVAC, and more. A massive side entry 3-car garage, 28 by 36 with workbench, plenty of room for your boat trailer, and a wide driveway offer plenty of parking and entrance to the front of this lushly landscaped home with mature trees and colorful flowers providing shade and comfort. A quaint front porch opens to the central foyer and split floor plan. The living room and bedrooms are to the right, kitchen, dining, and family rooms to the left, and the master suite adjacent to the dinette. Off the kitchen is a huge covered patio with an abundance of open air and covered outdoor living space, a sprawling pool with new pump and backyard with additional storage areas, and a chicken coop too. Separate formal rooms with tile flooring each offer plenty of space for large furniture and big holiday gatherings. Adjacent to the dining room is a large family room, or make it a 4th bedroom, with wood floors, built-ins, large windows, and big closet. The kitchen features stone counters, built-in ovens, wood cabinets, built-in desk and access to a big laundry mudroom, with stone counters, extra storage garage entrance, and entrance to a 17 by 19 Florida room. The Florida room features all tile flooring, an abundance of windows, and access to the patio and pool. All bedrooms offer wood floors and closets with built-in storage. Outside, the covered patio is terrific with brick pavers, extra lighting for the evening, and a gorgeous view of the pool. Easily entertain over 100 guests outdoors, no problem. The pool surface is newer, deep, and a beautiful shade of azure. If you are searching for a 1-story private pool home on a large piece of property, not located in an HOA, then you have found it. Other excellent features include crown moldings and ceiling fans in most rooms, new windows in 2010, new electrical in 2016, and a new fence in 2016. Nearby access to the 408